see if I can set this off. So I'm going to kind of put it off here in the distance so it kind of fits in here. But here's just kind of positioning the arm of it and basing this off of a rectangle. Building that part up kind of stems itself a little closer. And then this part. So when you look at things that are perpendicular at 90 degrees or parallel, trying to help you out there with that piece. So if this was a rectangular form, at least to get started, sets that piece up. Then the base kind of tapers down, length and a width. And then just kind of helping your drawing out, just extend this a little bit further. At least it gives you the beginning part of it. And then you say, okay, this is going to be symmetrical with this rounded edge here. So you can round these parts off and taper it around here. So I have a little bit of it hidden. But again, it's a vertical neck of this thing. This kind of curves into this part, into the head of this. This is kind of rounded either side here. So kind of going from a organic to mechanical and back and forth. So that's kind of my overall look to it so far. These arms go up this kind of shaft, elevator shafty looking thing. Here's the center of it. Again, this part that has this curve for the arms holding the bowl. If you draw it as a rectangle first, you can kind of see it. And then just do that curve thing. Cross the diagonals, find the edges, find the third pieces there. And just going to put these round parts on the end. So it's somewhat complicated. And there's these little pieces here. And how this has a thickness to it. And an edge. Tapers on either side. And build it up there. And then you kind of see it has this steel or aluminum type banding. At the end has this center piece here for a cylindrical shape. Little cap on it. And this mixer part is another elliptical piece with a drill bit coming through. So there you are, kind of building this section in here. This neck is slightly tapered, wrapped around here. Okay, and then this metallic arm coming across. And these little dials here. So again, once you get that set up, you pretty much have it drawn. It's just a matter of trying to do the tones and the shading of it. It does have a light source, but it bounces around a lot because of the shading and the lighting that's inside there. So you got to kind of find it up. So I'm just kind of touching it up with a ruler, a little bit of the straight edge here. It's kind of white shading on white tone, so very white on white there. Curve that there. And then this curve up on the symmetrical part. And any of these reflections that you see are kind of showing the arch of this, so when you get up into the top part, it has the highlight as a reflection here. This is that stump that you can kind of use to smear. It's kind of showing it to you. And then this reflection you can see is just a reflection of the ceiling lights, kind of hitting it up there. Let's see how you do there.